1.
Create CAS standalone. CAS. Grab an item. Export diffuse. Export mesh. Back to home. Create CAS standalone. CAS. A species. Pick matching item. Export mesh. In Blender 2.70, image. Open your animal UV map.
Find that in the description.
Pin it. If one doesn't exist, look for it, or make your own by reverse engineering.
2.
Append. Object. Mesh. Your item. Delete extras. Adjust item to fit via sculpt mode or standard method via vertexes.
3.
Select original. Shift select yours. Weight paint. Transfer weight. Select yours. Vertex paint. For fur to squish, select 20FFBF. For no fur squish, select 2CFF80. If neither work, take a look at what your reference's vertex paint is and copy that. If you want to change yours, head to Paint. Set vertex. On your mesh, create new UV map. On UV material, resize UV to fit. Image, new image. Make it the same size as your reference image. Select all vertices with A. Camera, textures. Margin 1, bake. Image, save as image. Save.
4.
Reopen in Blender 2.79. If you want to try another Blender, try it. And if it doesn't work, head back to this one. On your mesh, delete UV_0. Rename UV map to UV_0 plus UV_1. Select original. Select yours. Wrench. Data transfer. Source object equals the original object. Face corner data. UVs. UV1 to UV1. Apply. Select OG. Delete verts. Select yours. Shift select the original. Join. Save. Re-import mesh. Re-import texture. Pick a new outfit type if you need to. Done. Well, look who's looking fashionable now.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.